Hey, General, what you doing over there?
Oh, me? I'm just making up a fresh bottle of the enhancer here from TNB Naturals.
Oh, nice. That's the best stuff. You know, that really enhances the CO2 in that 5x5 tent.
That's what I've been saying as well. All I got to do is put two of these in there, lukewarm water. Doesn't have to be purified, of course. So I've already put in one, so I'm just putting in the second one right now.
Nice, General. Can't wait to see the results. Yeah, me too. So with that, buddy, why don't you keep happy, stay stoned in Urban Garden? You know I will, General.